This video, guys, contains mega information that you can't find anywhere what is welded with MIG welding. What type of gas is used for MAG welding? What is welded with MAG welding? What type of gas is used for MIG welding? What is the difference between MIG and MAG? To know the difference between MIG and MAG, just understand the meaning of their name. MIG stands for metal inert gas and MAG stands for metal active gas. So MIG uses inert shielding gas while MAG uses active shielding gas. The gas is inert, do not take part in the reaction, and do not modify the result differently from what the active gases do in the case of MIG welding, and the shielding gas are argon and helium. For MAG welding, instead oxidizing gases are used, often mixtures of argon and carbon dioxide. The choice between MIG and MAG is dictated by the type of metal to be welded in the case of MAG welding. If we use a mixture of argon and carbon dioxide under the formula CO2 with a percentage of 98% argon and 2% CO2 and suitable for welding stainless steel, and instead if we go to use a percentage of 92% argon and 8% CO2, it is suitable for welding carbon steel under 4 mm thick. Instead, if we go to use a percentage of 82% argon and 18% CO2, it is suitable for welding carbon steel and ideal for welding structures and sheets of great thickness, also effective for welding rusty surfaces, even dirty, always for welding MAG. If we go to use a mixture of argon and helium and CO2 with a percentage of 81% argon and 18% helium and 1% CO2. This type of mixture with this percentage is suitable for high efficiency MAG welding for stainless steel, always for welding MAG are. We go to use a mixture of argon and oxygen, formulated O2, with a percentage of 98% argon and 2% oxygen. This mixture with this percentage is suitable for MAG welding for stainless steel with low carbon content, so-called the 304, always for MAG welding if we use a mixture of argon and oxygen and CO2 with a percentage of 96%, argon 1% oxygen and 3% CO2. This type of mixture with this percentage is suitable for welding stainless steel and carbon steel. Instead, for MIG welding, if we use a mixture of argon and helium with a percentage of 95% argon and 5% helium. This type of mixture with this percentage is suitable for MIG welding of thin aluminum sheet metal and aluminum alloy, always for MIG welding if we use a percentage of 80% argon and 20% helium. This type of work with this percentage is suitable for MIG welding of aluminum and copper alloy, always for MIG welding if we use 50% argon and 50% helium. This type of mixture with this percentage is suitable for manual and automatic MIG welding for copper alloy, always for MIG welding if we use 30% argon and 70% helium. This type of mixture with this percentage is suitable for automatic MIG welding of aluminum alloy. In the world of welding, there are two polarities, a direct polarity and a reverse polarity. In the case of electrode welding, you can use both the reverse polarity and the direct polarity, while for MIG and MAG welding there is only the reverse polarity, so you cannot convert the positive pole and the negative pole. At this point we have this percentage of dosage of mixture with argon and helium and oxygen and carbon dioxide. For example, if we are welding carbon steel below 4 mm, we must use a mixture with a percentage of 92% argon and 8% CO2. Instead, if we are going to weld carbon steel of great thickness, we can use this mixture with a percentage of 82% argon and 18% CO2. For today, guys, our video has finished. I really hope it was useful. For any information, write me in the comments. I recommend girls, save the video, share it, like it, and leave comments. See you next time.